and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I want to say that you're very welcome here. And today I have another tutorial for you. Today we are going to be making a spiral balloon column, and I have here pink balloons, a couple of them. You can use any color of your choice. I have purple and then I have red. So you could choose to go with 2 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors, all depends on your choice. And then I also have my hand pump. That is in case I don't have a balloon sizer. But today I have my balloon sizer. I also got this from AliExpress, but you could also get it from Amazon. And I also have my electric balloon pump here, which is going to help us to go faster. And then I have my ribbon. You could also go with fishing line. So let us get started. This is going to be used today because it is very, very important that your balloons should be sized in the same way. So you should not have some bigger than others. So that is why I'm having my balloon sizer. But if you don't have a balloon sizer, I'll be showing you what to do in another video, not today. I'll show you in another video, but today let us just learn how to do with the balloon sizer, okay? So let us get started. I'm going to make sure that my balloons are same sizes. So today we are going to be sizing 11-inch balloons. These are our 11-inch balloons, okay? So let us use 9. So you just put it in and release gently. See, that is 9. And then I'll go on with the next balloon. Make sure that you are releasing the end gently and then you tie like this. Okay, so that is how you do it. And then I'm going to be making, since I'm going with 3 colors, I'm going to join red and pink together. Okay, so I'll just keep doing the same thing. Let me do one more and then I'm going to go off camera and then I'll come back after blowing all my balloons. So watch, this is what I'm doing. I just inflate. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so here are our balloons all inflated. I'm going to put them in quarts because these are pairs. Like I always say, when you have 4 balloons, they become quarts. So these are pairs. We're going to put the pairs together. And remember that we have 2 purples and then we have 1 pair that is just pink and red. So we are going to take a pair of purple and then a pair of red and pink, and then we are going to put them together like this. Just twisting. You already know this is my favorite part. Okay? Going to do same for all our balloons. So I have my purple balloons are very few. You know, when I keep in my voice will always come and do something to me, but notwithstanding, I just want to show you guys the idea of how you can make a spiral balloon column and without a stand. So here we are going to go with our ribbon and just tie like this. So I'm just going to tie it to make sure that it doesn't come out, because guys, we're doing this one event, we don't want anything happening to your column. So like I said, we are doing this spiral balloon column, so we are going to make sure that it is going in a spiral form, okay? To achieve that, instead of putting my purple directly on top, I'm going to put it in between the purple and the red, if that makes sense. So we are not putting them directly on the balloons. We are not doing this. So just slide it a little bit. Oh, making sure that Look, when you're dealing with many colors, it becomes very complicated, but you just have to make sure that you're putting your colors next to each other, okay? Like, you see my balloon was first of all like this. Make sure that you don't make that mistake and put red next to pink. Don't focus on one color, focus on all the colors at the same time. So, just put it next to this one, then I'll press it down to make sure that I don't have any gaps. And then I'll pass my ribbon through, making like this. Make sure that you press it down. Okay. Right? Keep doing the same thing. Red next to red, and so on and so forth. Then before you know it, your spiral lines will start coming out. Okay guys, so like I said, I ran out of a couple balloons because my boys will come and pick them and play with them. So I just wanted you to see the idea. You can see that our balloons are forming. So if you keep doing the same thing all the way, depending on how big you want your balloons, your column to be, you just keep doing the same thing all the way. And once you are done, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to keep your balloon up. Okay, because we don't have a stand, that's why it's trying to fall upwards. I'll show you exactly what you can do to keep your balloon standing. And also, if you're making a balloon column without a stand, make sure that you don't do it outside. If you do it outside, trust me, the wind can disgrace you. So don't do that outside. If you're doing it outside, make sure that you have a sturdy stand to hold it. This is only meant for indoors events. Don't do it outside, please. Okay, so once you are done with your column, make sure that you tie it. But at this point, another thing that you need to do that I'm not doing here is add a topper. If you want it to look gorgeous, add a topper. A topper can be, it could be a number, it could be a larger balloon. So say 18-inch balloons or 24-inch balloons, you could add that over here and it's going to make it look even more beautiful. So just make sure that you tie like this. I'm going to make a loop and then I'll pass it in and then I'll pull. Be gentle at this point because you don't want this ribbon to curl. Loop again, and then I'll tie just to secure it, and then I'll cut it off. If I'm not adding a topper, if I'm adding a topper, I might use this to add my topper, or I use the neck of the topper to just tie it round. But at this point, I'll just cut it off, and then I'll go on to add my weight. You see, this is very easy. It's just a balloon that I filled with water, and I didn't make it too big. Make sure that it's not too big. Just fill your balloon with water and it's going to create a weight which is going to help you or help your column to stand. So you just go underneath your balloon column. I'm going to use the neck to add it. Just pass it through. Making sure that it's sitting in the middle of my column so that it's not going to be obstructing the base of my column to stand up. And then I'll just wrap it round. See, it is sitting there nicely and it's not obstructing these ones from standing. So you see that it's going to still give it that room to stand, but it's sitting right in there and it's giving it that weight for it to stand. Okay? So there you go. Okay, so you see, once I put my weight and I'm putting the balloon down, it is not moving anymore. So just make sure that you see all the spiral coming up all the way. Okay, that is what we wanted to achieve, and of course we got exactly what we wanted. That is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it inspired you. If it did, don't forget to leave the comments down below, and like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so, guys. Show some love to this channel by subscribing and hitting on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. All right, so I'm going to end it here for today. See you in the next one. Bye.